For homeowners seeking double-hung window replacement Gaithersburg, choosing the right products can dramatically improve curb appeal, comfort, and year-round efficiency in Gaithersburg MD. The best double-hung windows Gaithersburg MD combines smooth operation, classic style, and lasting durability for homes in Kentlands, Old Town, and Montgomery Village. Whether you need residential double-hung windows Gaithersburg for a historic property or a newer home, a trusted double-hung window company. Gaithersburg can help you compare vinyl double-hung windows, Gaithersburg, wood double-hung windows Gaithersburg, and fiberglass double-hung windows Gaithersburg for the ideal fit. Affordability matters, and many local families are searching for affordable double-hung windows Gaithersburg without sacrificing long-term quality. A reliable double-hung window company, Gaithersburg will offer transparent pricing, durable products, and accurate double-hung window replacement estimates Gaithersburg for homes of every size. If you are comparing double-hung window estimates near Germantown and Gaithersburg MD, it helps to work with a provider that explains frame materials, glass packages, labor, warranties, and optional upgrades. The best double-hung window company in Gaithersburg MD makes it easier to balance budget goals with style, comfort, and performance. Modern double-hung windows Gaithersburg adds immediate value to homes by improving ventilation, security, and energy savings across every season in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Licensed double-hung window installers in Gaithersburg MD can install custom-fit products for renovations, remodels, and new window openings in downtown Gaithersburg, Crown, and Rio. Homeowners looking for double-hung window installation in downtown Gaithersburg MD or affordable double-hung window installation, Gaithersburg MD 20879 often prioritize clean workmanship, exact measurements, and long-lasting weather protection delivered by an experienced double-hung window contractor, Gaithersburg. Energy savings are a major reason families choose energy-efficient double-hung windows Gaithersburg for their homes in Montgomery County. Advanced glazing, low E coatings, insulated frames, and strong weather stripping all support double-hung window insulation Gaithersburg and double-hung window ceiling Gaithersburg for better indoor comfort. Homeowners near shopping, dining, and busy roads often request energy-efficient double-hung windows Washingtonian Center, Gaithersburg MD to reduce drafts, outside noise, and monthly utility costs. When installed correctly, double-hung windows in Gaithersburg MD can help maintain consistent temperatures during hot summers and cold Maryland winters. Material selection is essential when comparing custom double-hung windows Gaithersburg for durability, design, and maintenance needs. Vinyl double-hung windows Gaithersburg are popular for affordability, low upkeep, and moisture resistance, while wood double-hung windows Gaithersburg offer a timeless look that complements traditional architecture in neighborhoods like Kentlands and Old Town. Fiberglass double-hung windows Gaithersburg are known for strength and thermal performance, making them an excellent choice for demanding weather conditions. A residential double-hung window company in Gaithersburg MD 20877 can guide homeowners through style options, finishes, grills, and frame colors. Specialized repair and restoration services can extend window life and help avoid premature replacement when structural components remain salvageable. Double-hung window glass replacement Gaithersburg is ideal for cracked panes, failed seals, foggy insulated glass, and visible damage that affects clarity and efficiency. Homeowners often request double-hung glass replacement in Old Town Gaithersburg MD or double-hung frame repair services in Gaithersburg, Maryland, to preserve the original character of their homes while improving function. Combined with double-hung window screen replacement Gaithersburg, Maryland, and double-hung window hardware repair near Rockville, Gaithersburg MD, repairs can restore full usability. For renovation projects, double-hung window remodeling Gaithersburg and double-hung window retrofit Gaithersburg are excellent options for updating outdated openings without changing the architectural style of the home. Retrofit solutions work especially well when homeowners want double-hung windows Gaithersburg MD, or double-hung window retrofit specialists in Gaithersburg MD to improve performance while preserving trim, siding, and interior finishes. Home double-hung window remodeling. Gaithersburg, Maryland can also include enlarged glass areas, upgraded locks, new screens, and better insulation for a more attractive and efficient living environment.